So Millie and I decided to go to Guy Fieri's Foxwood Kitchen and Bar at Foxwoods Casino in Connecticut. We hadn't been there in quite a long time, so we actually were kind of lost and wandering around, and of course we ran into this gigantic JoJo Siwa concert, which was a sea of bows and mass confusion, and we just wanted to get out of there. We just wanted to get some food, so we had to work our way through all this chaos before we were able to get over to the restaurant. The only way to actually find the place, if you're with a minor, is you have to go through this hallway right here. Otherwise, it's on the gaming floor, which you have to be 21 to walk across. Through all the chaos, we found it. All right, Millie got the Morgan's vegetarian burger, and I got the famous mac and cheese burger. I got the garlic fries. Millie got the regular fries. So we'll check these out and let you know what we think. This is our cheesecake with potato chips, pretzels, and hot fudge. We didn't quite realize that it was half of a cheesecake. Okay, so we decided to get away from all the rock and roll so that we could talk about our food review. Millie, what did you think?
I thought it was good. The vegetarian burger was good, but it fell apart.
Which also often happens with vegetarian burgers, but the flavors was good. She let me try it. It had a lot of cumin and garlic flavor, which I particularly like. If you don't like those spices, that might not be for you. Speaking of garlic, the garlic fries were like fire-breathing dragon garlic level, but it was really good. And my burger was the mac and cheese burger, which, you know, is his world's famous burger. So I felt like I had to try that. It was good. I don't eat mac and cheese. I don't really eat buns. I'm a low-carb guy, but I enjoyed it, and there was something different. Overall, I'd say the food was really good. Tell them what we had for dessert.
For dessert, we had this massive half cheesecake thing with pretzels and chips on it.
And covered in hot fudge.
Oh, yes.
The people at the table next to us had trash can nachos, which looked amazing. The waiter came and like, it was this circular kitchen thing filled with like nachos and cheese, and he lifted it up and it was like a tower of nachos and cheese and stuff.
Yeah.
So if we come back, we're probably going to try that. So overall, for Guy's Place at Foxwoods, we'd have to say thumbs up.